Hey, the question is, welcome to Blue Noise channel. The question is, whether to ride or not. Spelt weather, you know, weatherman. He's a lying SOB. If you ain't a biker, if you ain't getting rained on. So run that intro. We'll talk about stuff. Good morning, good afternoon. Actually, it's good morning. Good morning, that's what we're gonna go with. My peeps, my YouTube subscribers, and those that ain't subscribing, why ain't you subscribing? So what we doing today? We might get rained on, but that's a chance we're just gonna take. It's let's see, it's 67.1 degrees. It's yeah. As Mr. G says, don't forget about Vams coming up quick. So we didn't have no official time to leave. We had two. We either gonna go north or south. We wanted to go north, but then the weatherman kept saying it's gonna rain all day. It's gonna do this. It's gonna do that. Let's come back to the weatherman. Hey, how you mom and them? So we canceled the reservation before it went bad. We're using my points, so it's a free trip. Yay! Not really, but still. What was I gonna say? I lost my train of thought. Yeah, we're going up to Ellijay, Blue Ridge, staying the night in Blue Ridge, Georgia, because I canceled the reservation one night and then they won't let me. They changed their, so I couldn't use my points unless I used 6,000 points and then used $214, and it wouldn't be free. I believe them people left. I guess, I don't know. I ain't seen a car there in a week or two. Maybe he's gonna put that little shed in and start living in it, and then let the trailer go back. I don't know. But we were heading up to Ellijay. Just said that we're gonna check out see how many winers we can get, and maybe a roadside attraction or two. Maybe we got a time schedule to keep. It's 10 o'clock, so we should be up there by the time they open. Yeah. If not, we'll find a place to eat, and then we'll go check out some wineries. But like I said, we're on time crunch because the weatherman says it might rain at 3 o'clock. Scattered showers, thunderstorms roll in. So hopefully it's all staying south. That's why I was gonna go south. But maybe then Sunday's supposed to be kind of prettier than today. So we'll get on up the road and see how it goes from there. That's the thing. You ain't afraid to get wet. It's just it don't make for a good video when you can't record because your electronics get wet, and you don't want to get them wet. It costs too much money. So we'll see you when we get up to, I think we're gonna go to Otis first. OTTS. He's the one that shot Carl on the roadside of Walking Dead. Fictional book, you know, fictional TV show. We'll see you shortly. Ooh, roll on, big truck. Yep. This is about the point you doubting yourself. It's going pretty up, but you see, it's clearing up. It's just a thick. It's, you know, it's not a thick fog you can't see through. It's a thick fog you're gonna get wet right through. It's just drizzling. It's not drizzling. It's just a damp, 99% humidity. Yeah, so it'll be all right. I think it's gonna clear up, you know, burn off. Yeah, we back on another road that's rough. We on Henley, Evans, Evans Road, Henry Evans Road. Yeah. I think what is that? that guineas? Guinea, 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 guineas. Guineas. Hey, guineas. Oh, here we are. Came up quicker. I was looking at the guineas. Oh, I love these places. Alrighty then, we are here. Otis, I guess that ain't got no, it's just OTT.
Like I said, I needed room in my freezer. I got tired of moving stuff around.
Thanks, Derek.
You're quite welcome.
Alright, yeah, I'm recording. This one's alright. They didn't have, but she likes sweets, and they didn't have, but like, you only could get 4, and I think they had 6, so peach and stuff like that. Yeah, the gate is open. Alright, we can go out this way. So yeah, it's a pretty little location. And I didn't put it in the, I believe this Buckley one is just right down the road. Let's see here, I got it saved. 708, 708, 708, there it is. Whoop, went past it. Should be right over the hill. Wasn't that much difference. 300 yards. So out of one and into the other one. Right here it is. Oh, we got, what's this guy doing? Taking pictures? Painting? Hey, she's painting. Hey, how you doing? Can we, guess we'll park over here. Music this week, yeah. Main Bite Dog. So I think we got like 4 more to go today. I don't know why she's sitting there not starting. Oh, me. Whew, we're rolling. I don't know, GoPro don't do it justice, but we gotta drink a bunch of wine, not had lunch, and well, we just sipping on some wine. And then you got to go down this dang mountain here. Look how steep it is. Yeah, steep. Steep in the mountains. Whew. Stay off them front brakes. Yep, that's how you do it. Alright, oh, let's turn and try to go up this way. There's the vineyard. They over there pruning, I guess. Somebody's house down there. It must be where they live at. Stop on this hill, wow. My glasses don't seem to, there they go. Didn't have them sitting in my head right. Look at that big old burn house. I just wanted to record this in case we don't make it back if somebody finds this video. We are here in the boonies. Pretty house, though. Alright. Will it turn into a gravel road or dirt road? Only time would tell. We at the tippy top. Ooh, what a big old hole that was. Fall in that, bust a tire. Put you over the endo handlebars. Uh-oh. Just more dark clouds, but like I said, it's 100% when you get rained on, but it ain't supposed to rain till later this evening, maybe. Oh, we turned the curve and it gets better. Wow, woo, watch the road. Woo, got a turn here. That was a quick one. Orchard Road, as far as the orchard on it somewhere. Me. So will this road turn into a dirt road? Ooh, scared me. Seen gravel and I thought, oh Lord, here we go. There's a couple of these that's on a dirt road and I'm just going to skip them. I'm like, But this is a county road. Oh Lordy. Down here in the dark, in the holler. We're in the holler. You know what a holler is? Well, it's just right here. Between two valleys, two mountains. Down in the holler. Yeah, look at this. All these. I believe if you watched Rolling with Tbone, they had a bunch of damage. He lives up here somewhere. I need to get in touch with him so we can roll with Tbone. Rolling with Tbone. Ooh, look, tree down. Creek. If you don't go off in that creek, is this right here? Oh me. Looks like it's got up on the road at one point in time. Ooh, one lane bridge. Alright, well we're going down the middle. I do. Because the slats was like 2x6s and there was like a 2-inch gap in between them. Look at that house. Oh, a four-wheeler. A real life four-wheeler, not a car. Wow, more. There's a lot of rain down through here. I do it in rednecky. Mom and Pa on that four-wheeler. I live down in here. It looks pretty nice. I wonder how the Wi-Fi is. Yeah, this thing took us down to, don't know where it's going here. Ooh, is this a road or is this somebody's driveway? Shoot, I don't know. We lost. I mean, really, this thing taking us all over the road and back around. I don't know where we're going. I don't know if we're on a road or what. There was a stop sign back there, so caution. Slow chickens around here. So I don't know if it's going to take us down a dirt road or what. We ain't but 3 miles from this place I want to eat at. Man, no motorcycle or ATV traffic. Blackberry Mountain. I have no idea how to get out of here. GPS don't know how to get out of here. This is just great. Just great. Well, crap. How do we get out of here? Road closed, detours, and everything else. I don't know. What adventure we are having? This is the whole point of it. This is a adventure. Lost in the Georgia mountains, doing wine stuffy. Oh me. Well, these chicken houses got to have some way to get the big trucks out of here. Oh me. But you can't complain about the views. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. I believe we done seen this once. Oh, man, did we just come out from here and it wants to take this dirt road right here, I think. Is it dirt road? Nope. See what I mean about chicken houses? We up in Ellijay, and Ellijay is known for its apples, so there's a lot of orchards around. That's an orchard back behind them chicken houses. Hey, guess what? We've made it back to Howard County Road. I mean, Georgia 52. It's a major house. See, that's an apple house right there. Hey, major road. historic schoolhouse. So, oh me, that's the whole point of riding a motorcycle. The adventure. Hey, we're downtown Ellijay. At least we eat here behind me at the Cantaberry or something. I don't remember. It was pretty good. Long wait. So we eat. Didn't have to go far for the winery. So now we're heading up to Blue Ridge. Talked to Tbone. Rolling with Tbone. He's working today. Might run into him this evening, maybe, if the weather holds out. But a couple of motorcycles down here. There's old Harley, the Tavern Vintage Final. Peace out! Lady gave us a peace sign. Pizza place and taverns and what have you. A dinosaur. Gumdrops Fun Center. So we headed up Blue Ridge. I don't know what the weatherman's thinking. I don't either. But it kind of looks like it might start raining on us. Copper Basin Stomping Rodeo. Rootin' Tootin' Rodeo. Alright, so let me see where we're going. So it's 16 miles till we get up to Blue Ridge. Blue Ridge Mountains of Georgia on my mind. So no trucks down that road. Good to know. We up here in Blue Ridge, lovely Blue Ridge, Georgia, the gateway to the Smoky Mountains. We in the Smoky Mountains, the great Appalachian mountain range. If it's be downtown Blue Ridge, you can ride the choo-choo train up to McCall, Tennessee, Georgia line. About a 30-minute ride, I think it is. Train's not there, I don't see it. She gonna press herself right out in front of us. Now we gotta find a place to park. Huh. Good luck on that. Hey, we ain't rolling with Tbone. We standing with Tbone. We've been standing out here bullshit, but nice to meet you. Rolling with Tbone. Go check them out.
Yeah. We're going to be dicking around in Blue Ridge instead of dicking around in the shed.
We'll catch you later.
Good job. Squish the rainbow.
Squish the rainbow. So, I don't know what to say. Go check out that video there. Check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. Catch you later. Big thumbs up.